he about when your mother is out?
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
Do I like this? Oh, no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. Oh, okay. They will come here to play. No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pond?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
Yes, the way that they play. If mother could see them, oh, what do she say?
Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What?
We cannot pick it up. There's no way.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat. Then our mother came in and said to us,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? Now what should we do?